Hi everyone, welcome back to Six Sigma in Lean methodology, right? So in this course, we are going to cover, right, what is the Lean methodology you can incorporate, Lean Six Sigma methodology you can incorporate in your process to make it better, right? Let me share my screen and then I'll walk you through on that, what we are going to discuss on this. See, in this course, right? See, what we are trying to do here is we are going to talk about the complete Six Sigma, right, with a green belt level. We are going to cover that in this session, and it is very specific to the revenue cycle management in US healthcare. And if you ask me why this course, right, we have in market, right, we have a lot of courses are available in Six Sigma, right? So why we need to have one more course on it? See, if you go to any of your course, right, this course will talk only about the Lean Six Sigma, but it is not relevant to your RCM or it is not relevant to your US healthcare. So here, what we are trying to do is we are going to talk only about your RCM, how we can incorporate this Lean Six Sigma methodology into your revenue cycle management. And this course will make you to understand what are the methods available in Lean and Six Sigma, how to use these methods and principles, and how to incorporate that, how to use that in your rev cycle. Okay, how to bring your process excellence and better revenue outcome by utilizing this process. So how to bring the best patient experience to the practices, right? So if you start incorporating, okay, we are moving from activity to the autopilot mode. That's operational excellence. How we are going to do that, that we are going to cover in this course. Right. So what you're going to learn in this course? In this course, we are going to cover Six Sigma in overall how it is going to be utilized in the organizations and the DMAC methodology, define, measure, analyze, improvement, and control. This we are going to see here. And in the Six Sigma organization, we are going to talk about what is the organizational goal and what is the lean principles and how we can do the design for Six Sigma. This we are going to cover. Under this Six Sigma, we are going to cover all these chapters in this course, right? So we'll move to the first one. It's a definition of quasi-perfect production process. It's talked about, okay, how the production process should be, right? We're talking about the defects per million opportunity. See, always the Six Sigma is going to talk about your defects, not by percentage level. It is going to talk about your DPMO level, right? It's a million opportunities. What is your defect possibility? Or it is occurring per million opportunity. And 3.4 is our goal. 3.4 defects per million opportunity is our aim in the Six Sigma. And if you convert the 3.4 into quality level, it will be 99.9997 percentage, right? Six Sigma, we have a goal and methodology, reduce the variation, and it is going to minimize your defects and shorten the life cycle. See, we will take this into RCM. What is the shortening life cycle? See, if you file the claim today, and how quickly you can receive the payment. We will consider Medicare. If you file the claim today, on 14th day, you should get the payment. Okay, that is our shortened period, right? If anything is getting delayed, say for example, for a Medicare patient, I'm getting on 25th day or 18th day, what is going to do? It is going to analyze and then understand what is the area to be improved and how we are going to shorten the life cycle, the cycle time, okay? And improving the yield, how I'm going to get better results, better revenue, enhance the customer satisfaction, and boosting the bottom line. It's nothing but your revenue, right? Six Sigma always focus on results and measurements, right? It's not a storytelling. It's everything is a statistical measurement. You're going to see that how the improvement is happening, right? It is low, it is moving towards your lowering effect and directly converts into the cost saving and competitive advantage, right? If you start incorporating these techniques into your process, right, very specific to your process, you are going to compare in your organization how I'm doing better compared to my competitors, right? And process alignment, here we are going to talk about the CTQ. Okay, based on the customer requirement, we are going to create a CTQ. And then what is the customer needs and expectation? We are converting that into the CTQ and controlling the variability as we discussed, and tolerance level. We will fix what is the tolerance level we are going to accept it, and measuring the performance, process capability, and then process stability, and SPC. SPC is a very powerful one. We are going to cover in this, right? And organizational strategy, what we are talking about is a prerequisite of the project, and define the strategical planning, goal, and financial benefits. And it's a net income improvement, right? That's what everyone looking for, right? How I'm going to improve my revenue, and continuous improvement, how I can avoid my problems, how I can avoid my error, noises, and how I'm going to improve my revenue. And the goal, as we discuss here, see, constantly identifying, eliminating costs. See, for example, today I'm reaching to 99 percentage or 97 percentage. How I'm going to move to a 98? How I'm going to move to a 99 percentage? That's what the goal we are going to create here, and provides necessary framework to these constant ongoing effort, and helping organization to add value to their customers and the clients. Okay. And this is sigma level, right? We are talking about a lot on the sigma levels, right? If it is a Six Sigma, okay, what I'm talking about, right? See, for example, if it is a one sigma level, okay, you are going to get around 6,90,000 errors. And if it is a two sigma, you are going to get the error of 3,08,000. And if it is a three sigma, you are going to get around 66,000 errors. And four sigma, 6,210, right? And 5 sigma, it is 233. And 6 sigma, it is 3.4 errors per million opportunity. See, think of like this, okay? You are admitting one of your relatives to the hospital, right? Which hospital you go, right? You will go to 6 sigma hospital or 5 sigma hospital or to the 1 sigma hospital, right? Here, the chance that the patient may go for a task is 6.6 lakh 90,000, but here it's only three. Even three is a very critical, right? If it is other industry like airline or a railway, how many errors we are getting or how many accidents we are getting, right? It's very limited. So always this Six Sigma focus on customer centricity, project performance, and variability. That's what it's focused on. And the same thing, right? We are discussing on, do you prefer which sigma level? As everyone agree, I should go for a Six Sigma level or even Seven Sigma level or Eight Sigma level. That's what we need, right? But are we in that process? Or our production flow or my team, are they doing in the One Sigma level or they are in Six Sigma or more than that, right? That's a question we are going to ask ourselves. And this is the process with, right? Six Sigma starts with minus 3 sigma to 3 6 sigma. This is my process length. Your error variation should arrest between these two, not more than that. This is your voice of the customer. The customer is expecting only the variation within this level, not more than that, right? And now, as we discussed, 99.9997 is our aim. And how we are going to reach it? Minimizing defect, reducing variation, and shortening the cycle time, and improving the yield, enhance customer satisfaction, and boosting the revenue. And financial imperative. So as we know, cost of low quality is a very, very painful expenditure and expenses for the company, and net income improvement, what we are aiming at, and 10% of net income improvement, what we are aiming to improve on, and focus on the process control and customer need. Critical to quality, everything we are talking about is a CTQ, and controlled variation, and then tolerance level, right? As we discussed here, our tolerance level is LCL and UCL. They are going to fix that tolerance level here, and measuring the process performance, right? That's what we are doing. And continuous improvement, it talked about DPMO. That's what we are discussing from the start, 3.4 percentage. And quality, as we know, 99.9997 percentage, right? Six Sigma methodology and goals. It is ultimate objective that Six Sigma approach. Okay, it's a philosophy and it's a technique and it is a goal, right? What you're trying to achieve. Technique implies comprehensive set of statistical tool and methodology, and the goal is what we are reducing the variation, minimizing defects, improving yield, boosting the bottom line. These are all our goals and results. What we are trying to get here is the quality and the results leading to lower defects and converting into the cost saving and then competitive advantage. So here, achieving the same thing which we are going to repeat again, okay, the customer requirement, the variability control, process measurement, right? The Six Sigma is going to do the process measurement, especially the process capability, process stability, and then strategic alignments, which we are going to discuss. There's some of the history with the quality pioneers. Okay, so there is a normal curve which is introduced by Carl Frederick and Three Sigma level principle, Walter and Shiva. What he's saying is when your process is reaching to the Three Sigma level, you revamp the process completely, you change the process. That's what he's saying. Okay. Then what you need to do is you have to think what is the process level you have. Okay. Is it in one Sigma level or lesser than that? Okay. How I'm going to improve on it? Right? The Three Sigma is a mean process require a correction. That's what his point is. And we are going to talk about the PDCA, which is very, very important for RCM. And he is able to successfully integrate statistic, engineering, and economics. And we are talking about Edwards, okay, the quality management principles. And as you know, that the Japanese are the quality leaders at the time. And we are talking about JIT, just in time, and then total quality management, TQM. Okay, Kaizen and Toyota, that are all the major terms you're going to hear frequently here. And the Six Sigma Bill Smith by 1980, and the product market performance and adjustment needed to the manufacturer. That's what he identified. And Joseph Juran, and you guys know about 80-20 principle, the Pareto chart, which is brought by Juran principle. That's a triology, what he's discussing about. These are all some of the pioneers, okay, who created a lot of quality aspects on it. Please go through this, and then you will understand. And Six Sigma organizational goal, process improvement, concentrating on the process rather than the results. The results will come if your processes get stabilized. And cost saving and then value addition. The goal of Six Sigma is to provide better value to the customer, investor, and employees. And this, as I told you, this involves the methodology and tools, right? The what methodology? It's a DMAC and inspired by the historical period, the PDCA cycle, which is very powerful. We are going to see that. So with this, we are closing today's session, and we will meet again for one more session next week. Right? Hope this will be very helpful to you, and I'll meet you guys next week. Thank you. Bye.